In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share messages or files using a simple right-click feature. Sharing specific content through links can be incredibly useful whether you're collaborating with colleagues, sending important documents, or simply wanting to bring attention to a particular conversation. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow. First, let's focus on getting your content ready. Whenever you're in a chat application or file system that supports this feature, find the message or file you intend to share. This could be a crucial email from a colleague, an informative article in your chat group, or a file that you want your team to review. Position your cursor over it so you're ready for the next step. Once hovered over, you're ready to execute the next action, right-clicking. This action should be familiar as it often provides additional options for interaction. The right-click menu is your gateway to more functionalities. When the menu appears, you're looking for the option that says Copy Link. This function is integral for sharing because it provides an easy route to connect others directly to the content without them having to wade through other materials. After selecting Copy Link, a link to your selected message or file is now saved to your clipboard. Think of the clipboard as a temporary storage area on your device where snippets of text or links are kept for easy access. From here, sharing this link is straightforward and incredibly convenient. Now imagine you're conversing in a chat or composing an email to a colleague and need to refer to this specific piece of content. With your link copied, navigate to the chat or email application where you intend to share the information. In the chat box or email body, click where you want your link to appear and simply paste it in. You can usually paste by right-clicking again and selecting paste or using the shortcut keys, which for most systems involve holding down the Control key while pressing V. If you're on a Mac, you'll use Command and V. Once the link is pasted, feel free to add any additional context that might be necessary for the recipient. This could include a brief message explaining why they should look at the link or any specific details they need to focus on. Personalizing your message ensures clarity and helps maintain the flow of your communication. And there you have it, a seamless way to connect others to the content you find significant. Remember, this technique not only saves time for both you and your recipients, but also sharpens communication, keeping everyone on the same page with minimal effort. Don't hesitate to use this method as often as needed to streamline your interactions and enhance your collaborative experiences.